Emerald, Brazil. Brazilian emerald is a vibrant, rich green variant of emerald and is considered amongst the best sources of emerald in the world, next to Colombia and Zambia. Just like any emerald, a Brazilian emerald stone is also known to possess strong astrological benefits. It is affiliated with the planet Mercury according to Vedic astrology and aids in emerging out of the influence of a weak Mercury in one's horoscope. It is also considered the birthstone for Cancerians according to Western astrology. The benefits of Brazilian emerald are brings success in finance, banking, and trading businesses, creates recognition and fame in creative and intellectual pursuits, improves mind and body coordination and overall psychological health, improves senses and a calm skin, helps in refining communication and oration. It's ideal for PR, media, and mass communication roles.